Hi, I'm Terry, co-founder of Rube, and with my team, we participated in the second Larissa Hackathon organized by Easy Rights, trying to digitalize the procedure of registering the birth of a child from refugees in Greece. Let's talk about the challenge. So, the issuing of the birth certificates in Larissa consists of several steps that refugees have to fulfill and go through. Initially, when the parents are about to go to give a birth to the child, they go to the local hospital or clinic to give the birth. After the child is born, a hospital's officer informs the refugees that they should fill in a registration form to initiate the birth certificate procedure while they are at the hospital. The form is physically filled up by a hospital officer and digitalized at a later stage. An officer from the municipality of Larissa schedules a physical appointment at the municipality registry office at all relevant parties like social workers, hospital officer and parents, of course, to confirm the data in the issued birth certificate is correct. At this point, the process moves forward and all involved parties need to fill a second form to confirm the name giving of the child. Only after this, the validation of Registry Act is completed and certified by the Registry Office. This process presents several pain points, several difficulties encountered by refugees. They can limit and slow down the process of registering their child. For example, while at the hospital, the parent needs to declare the name exactly as it is written in all legal documents, and here the language is a barrier. In fact, not all refugees have an interpreter with them, so in case there is no interpreter, it might be difficult for the hospital officer to collect this information correctly. Spelling mistakes in the official documentation might severely complicate the procedure. If the mistake is simple, the correction may be made by a public prosecutor's order, but if the mistake is more complicated to amend, it will have to be corrected by a local court through a time-consuming process that takes extra legal aid. At the same time, booking an appointment with all relevant witnesses at the municipality registry office requires a big effort from all parties in terms of coordination and availability. This process is done by contracting the involved parties by one of until finding a suitable slot for the meeting. After issuing the birth certificate, it is necessary to book another meeting right away to issue the Registry Act, which confirms the name giving of the child. This procedure demands a high level of detail, attention, and coordination between all involved parties. The lack of digitalization prevents the relevant stakeholders to manage the step and solve current issues efficiently and independently. Improving this process would ease the experience for both refugees and as well as the officers. So here we come. We was the winning team. We tried to digitalize all this process. So we created an application so the refugee can register, and after creating, of course, an account, they can fill digitally this form. They can save it, edit it, and then submit it to the municipality's registry office. There, the officers can review it, check for any errors like spelling mistakes, and after they approve it, they can online, using our platform, schedule an appointment. Through the platform, they see all the necessary information they need for the appointment, including the need to have a translator in the meeting. and trying to find a slot, also relevant information about the location of the meeting and many more. Also, they can see some template documents about the process so they can get familiar with it. So when they go in person to the registry office, they just have to sign the Birth Act. So we save a lot of time for the refugees and also for the officers of the municipality of Larissa. This application is available in 3 languages: Greek, English, and French, since these are the main languages that refugees speak in Greece. And also, I'm gonna show you a demo of the application. So here we are in the application we designed and built. Here we can see the list of all the forms that are created and submitted by the refugees. Also here you can see some of the documents refugees can view and to get themselves familiar with the process. Also, from the EasyWrite tools, we decided to use CALST. It's a tool to train refugees to pronounce Greek words. We selected words that are used in this process of the birth registration in order to get the refugees familiar with this process. And also we think this is the best tool to fit in this application, and that's it. Thanks for your attention.